Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing very delicious and easy recipe with you guys. Even when I created this recipe, I just opened up the pantry, collected every delicious ingredient I had in pantry and fridge, and I came up with this cheesy, gooey pasta chicken casserole. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start the recipe. Bismillah. First, for this recipe you can use whatever leftover chicken you have on hand. Since I was making it, so I added salt, black pepper, garlic powder and green chili and covered and let the chicken release its water, and then I shredded and put it on the side. For this recipe today I am boiling egg noodles according to the package instruction, but you can use any shape or any kind of pasta for this recipe and just put it on the side. Adding butter and chopped onions and saute them until it's translucent and soft, and adding chopped garlic as well. Saute it for 30 seconds to a minute, and now I'm adding corns and frozen peas. You can add whatever veggies you want to add in there. Just mix them and cook them on a medium to high flame for I'd say 3 to 5 minutes, adding sour cream in there with some milk, and I will add a can of cream of mushroom soup. So as I mentioned, is easy a recipe because of these ingredients, but if you don't have them on hand, you can make white sauce from scratch, adding salt, crushed red peppers and dried parsley flakes in there. Mix all these seasoning very well, and now I'll add all the cooked chicken, which I put it on the side with the cooked noodles. Toss them very well until everything is fully combined. Now I'll take shredded cheddar cheese and add that half of the shredded cheddar cheese in this mixture. Toss well and then switch off the flame. Now I will transfer all this mixture onto the baking sheet, baking pan. Actually, I have 13 by 9 inch baking dish. Transfer all this mixture onto it, spread it evenly, and then I'll sprinkle the remaining shredded cheddar cheese. Now I will put this on the side, and I have some melted butter on hand, and I'll take Ritz cracker. I'll take the whole sleeve, crush the Ritz crackers and add in this melted butter. Mix well, bring back the casserole dish, and I will sprinkle some crushed red chili flakes on top. That is completely optional, and then I'll sprinkle the Ritz cracker, which we just crushed and mixed with the butter. Spread it evenly, and now my oven is already preheated on 350 degrees. I will transfer this dish into the oven and bake it for at least 30 to 35 minutes, or until mixture is bubbly and the top layer of Ritz cracker will get nice golden color and it's roasted and toasted. Bring it out. I'm topping it off with some chopped fresh parsley, and your cheesy, creamy chicken pasta baked casserole is ready to serve. It's easy, it's quick, and it's delicious, and it's irresistible. And if you are trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.